Down here, ignore the background music. There's nothing I can do about that. Anyway, been having some clutch slippage problems lately in the Deltic dragster. So, our alien scientists have developed a new product so we don't have to replace the clutch plate, clutch discs, because that can get rather expensive. So, here it is. It's called Clutch in a Can. So basically, with this new high-tech product, you drill holes in specific locations in the transaxle case or the transmission case, and to get access to the clutch disc, then have somebody step on the clutch pedal while you spray for a few seconds. Then you need to rotate the motor, say a quarter turn, then spray again. So, like I say, our alien scientists spent a lot of time developing this product, so we're sure it'll be good for at least 10,000 miles. So, if you're having clutch problems, just get in touch with us and we'll see if we can send you out a can of Clutch in a Can to help solve your problems. Anyway, sometime here, since we got 440,000 kids and the price of food's gone up so much, we got to come up with ideas like this to get enough money to be able to feed all the kids. So, anyway, sometime here, we'll catch you later.